everybody, it's Wendy, and today we're going to make a cute little pair of earrings to go with this little choker necklace that I made in the last video. So I will link this necklace and the unboxing of Sam's bead box. We're using Sam's bead box from October. It is called Art Deco, and wow, is it fabulous. So I'll link the unboxing for that. I will link the choker necklace video. And what we're going to be making today is this little earring to go right along with the choker necklace. So here it is. So our encouraging word for today is love more, worry less. Good words to live by. Okay, Sam's Bead Box. It's a monthly subscription beading service. I do have a coupon code for $5 off your first box if you'd like to subscribe. And I gotta say, Sam's Bead Box is amazing. So here's what we're gonna do today. So let's scoot this up. If you want to make this earring, you're going to need an eye pin or a head pin. You're going to need 2 of these gold lined rainbow Toho seed beads that were in the box this month. You're going to need 1 lapis, the 8mm round, or these 10mm. I get this wrong every time. They were 10mm, I believe. Yes, 10mm lapis. I have pulled out these bead caps from my own stash. I used them here, and I just like them with this sunburst kind of thing. They go pretty well with that. You're going to need 1 of these beautiful faceted barrel beads. This was called Evening Elegance Mix, and I think this was my favorite bead in the whole box. I love it. So pretty. You're going to need an ear wire. I'm using this fish hook. I kind of liked it because it had this shape on here, which kind of reminded me of this. And I've got 1 5mm rhinestone rondelle. Okay, that's all you're going to need. Super easy, super quick. So we're going to put on our Toho seed bead. We're going to put on our bead cap, our lapis bead, our bead cap, our rhinestone rondelle. Now, these beads are ombre. I am using the purple part at the bottom going up to the blue, and then your other seed bead. And we're going to make a wrapped loop. So we're going to come up a little bit above the bead, your top bead, and bend this 90 degrees. Then we are going to use our round nose pliers and gripping firmly in that bend, come up and over, rotate up, come under, grab this little loop with your chain nose pliers, and we're just going to wrap. I'm going to go around just a couple times just to tighten it, secure it around the wire, and tighten the beads on the head pin. Just like that. And these eye pins, or these head pins, they did not come in Sam's bead box. They're terrible head pins. Their coating is coming off for some reason. When you bend them around, like wrap them, the gold coating comes off a little bit. Terrible head pins. But this set I'm making for myself. I'm not going to sell it, so I'm going to use them. Okay, straighten up your little loop if you need to, and then we're just going to put it right on our fish hook. And close it right up. Super simple and quick little pair of earrings, and they go perfectly, I feel like, with our little choker necklace. There they are. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out Sam's Bead Box. This was a quick and simple one, but sometimes quick and simple is best. So I will have links for everything in the description box below the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you don't ring that little bell when you subscribe, you won't know when I upload future videos. So this is a set. If you watch this one and you haven't subscribed and rang the bell, you wouldn't know that I uploaded this one. But if you subscribe and ring the bell, it's going to tell you, Wendy uploaded a pair of earrings to match this necklace. So go ahead and do that. It really is beneficial for you, and it helps me out tremendously, and I appreciate it so much. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.